So now I'm going to take you through the short demonstration around eviFile's integration with a site. So first up we start with our integrations panel. You'll see here on the VolcaFits UAT site we've connected this to our a site integration. There's two stages to this. You log in with your credentials. This will give you access to all the projects in a site that you have access to. I'm just going to test the connection here. This tells me that I'm connected successfully. I then move to next, and what this will do is it will enable us to select specific eviFile types that we can connect to folders within a site. So in this specific example, we've already set up the fact that we've got HDD, the eviFile type, which is now connected to the testing site that we have within a site. So you'll see the HDD eviFile type can then be linked to a specific folder within a site, and in this instance I'm going to map it to quality inspections folder in the Wiz exports. So now everything from HDD will default to the Wiz exports folder within a site. Hit save, you'll see that's now been saved. Now when I'm navigating through the eviFile site, now I set that up, I can go into HDD. We know that's defaulting to the correct folder. I can pick any one or many of my assets. I'll go into this specific asset, and when I export this to PDF, you'll see now I can select all of my activities. I'm going to select everything here, all of the different sections that go within that export. I'm going to get rid of my NAs, select the large preview size, and then I'm going to select a site. And so that will automatically pick up the folder for this type. It's now looking to PDF that and export it, and as it loads the folder, you will get all of the meta information. You'll see here we've now got the doc ref, the title, the revision, purpose of issue status, and rev notes, and it's picking my user up as the publisher. And this will be dependent on the folder permissions that are set in a site. So I'm just going to call this test LA for the doc ref, test LA for the title. Again, these can be tailored per export. I'm going to give this a status as accepted with no comments, and I'm going to set it as not private. I'll then click export to a site. Now that will disappear and start generating the PDF. As soon as the PDF is generated, it will then transfer it automatically to a site. Now I've got the a site folder over, and you can see here, here's the test site that we linked it to, and lots of previous tests that we've just been using to make sure this works. If I then reload this, you'll see the test LA export that I've just done has now landed in a site. It's got the right date, the values I selected, the file name, and I can click into here, and this is a direct export landed in a site of the files generated from eviFile.